Hello you guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix Bluetooth problem keeps disconnecting on iPhone with iOS 16 or above, and how to solve this issue. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be teaching you two ways. So the first method I want you to do is open up your settings application, then go to your home screen like this. Then what I want you to do is click on screen time, then go to content and privacy restrictions. Here you will see all these options. And what I want you to do is search for your Bluetooth sharing and keep the allow changes on. And if your option is like this on don't allow changes, then I ensure you to change it to allow changes. So this is one method on how you can prevent your Bluetooth from disconnecting. The second method you can do is long tap on your Bluetooth icon like this, then go to Bluetooth settings, then click on the device that you're using at the moment, and then you can click on forget device, and you can pair this again with your Bluetooth device, and this will also help to fix the problem of this iPhone Bluetooth issues. So this is it for this video. I assure you that if you follow these two steps, then you'll easily fix these problems that occur on your Bluetooth devices. Emily is signing off. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you on the next one.